Did I wake you up? Oh, I'm sorry. I usually wake up before the alarm rings, but I guess I forgot to turn it off. It's... right. Now it's 5 AM. You can go back to sleep if you want to. Here, lay on my arms. Are you comfortable? Is this better? No, I'm not uncomfortable. This is okay for me. Well, I was going to go jogging, but no, I don't want to get up from bed. I'm fine. I'm comfortable with you around my arms. It's raining outside. Did you know that? No. It doesn't sound like it's raining too hard. It'll be nice to go out jogging in this weather. A cold? No, I won't catch a cold. I hardly ever get sick. I have a pretty strong immune system. No, I don't go jogging if it's raining hard. I'm afraid of tripping when it rains hard. Besides, I might actually get sick if I go out jogging in a storm. Well, if I do get sick, then I ask you to take care of me, right? True, I might get you sick. Then I guess I better start taking care of myself so you don't have to worry about me. Yeah, well, working out is part of taking care of myself. I need to increase the duration of the workouts and the intensity. There's something else that I need to train on too. Well, I gotta work on my willpower. Why? I gotta work on my willpower because... well, because I should stop holding you in my arms like this. I should get up, eat some fruit, and go for my morning jog. After my jog, I'd get us breakfast at the one place you love and start our day together. Yeah, it's a good idea, but I'm not doing any of those things. I'm not doing any of those things because I want you to stay on my arms for a bit longer. I know. It's bad, but I enjoy being able to hold you in my arms. Don't get shy. I do like having you in my arms. When you're in my arms, I feel that everything in the world is just perfect. Are you tired? Go to sleep. You... you want to listen to my voice? To help you fall asleep? If you want to fall asleep to my voice, close your eyes then. It's okay, I won't leave you and I don't want to leave. That's right, I won't be running today. There are other ways to work out, you know. I'll be fine. I managed to squeeze in a workout in my day somehow. Yes, I'm positive that I don't need to or want to get up right now. No, right now, everything is perfect. Why would I want to leave? No, I don't sleep in. I actually wake up before my alarm. I wasn't allowed to sleep in when I was younger, and because of my job, I can't sleep in. If you're sleepy, you should go to sleep earlier. That way, you won't be tired in the morning. Um, that's not. That's not early. Are you getting too much work? I wish I could help you out with your work. Well, I don't get a lot of work, but when I do, I take it home and just don't sleep so I can get it done. We have new jobs to do every morning, so it's always best to get it done as soon as we can. It's okay, don't worry about me. I'm fine. You need to stop frowning. It doesn't look good when you frown. I prefer to see you smile. I love your smile. And that's just one of the things I love about you. Anything about you, I pay very close attention to. Are you still tired? Get some rest then. Don't worry, I won't leave you. Yes, I promise that I won't leave you. Now, close your eyes. When you wake up, I'll still be by your side. Sleep well.